Hey guys, Goyard Travel Bag update with my Goyard. Finally, been waiting all summer for these travel bags update. Part 3, part 3 bags, 3 updates. Prices, styles, sizes, and info. All the info you need on the Goyard Travel Bags. When I Goyard Geeks, Goyards, Girls, Goyard Guys, Goyard Geeks, Goyard Geeks. I was thinking of a new name, Goyard Guru. Am I a Goyard Guru? Should I make that my name of my channel? But no, I don't want to make that the name of my channel. But is that my new saying? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopper, a chic shooter, a Goyard geek, but now maybe a Goyard guru, Goyard guru. And today, we're gonna do a really quick, hopefully quick update of the Goyard travel bags that I did a part 1 and part 2 of back in May. They finally released the second travel bag, launched it. So Goyard update, prices, styles, sizes, and info. All the info you need on the Goyard travel bags, the 2 new duffels, plus a little bit on the Bourget and the Satola. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash a like, but Bourget and Satola, Bourget and Satola, which are the rolling suitcases. So travel luggage, and we can do a little tangent on the Artois too. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing and keep on watching. And if we want to, we can also do the same on share. Let me know in the comments below if you've gotten any of the new bags yet. I'll just do really quick. The Artois GM is $2,800 in the US and it's $2,250 in France. 2,250 euros in the France, $2,800 in the US. So $2,800, $3,100 versus 22, right? That's the Artois GM, big one. Saint Leger is $3,400 in the US, which is the backpack, the travel backpack, $2,600 in France, euros. Can't remember the name right now. The Caravelle, I think it's the zip up suitcase that folds into a suitcase and comes out into a suitcase. I wanna say it's 2,000 in France, or 2,200 maybe. I don't know the price in the US. Well, it was 2,210 euros. But that's not even what this video is about, so I don't know why I went on the tangent. Okay, so we're gonna go really quickly. Shout out to Jonathan who messaged me on Instagram. Thank you, Jonathan, to tell me that these bags had officially launched. I saw the email, I saw the Instagram post, but he also told me. But yeah, shout out to Jonathan who told me that this was launching, and he reminded me as well, so thank you for that, and that's why I'm posting this video. Thanks, buddy. Thank you, Jonathan. And also, he gave me another name, which I think I've said before, but I really like Goyard. I think I've said it before, but now it's sticking Goyard, Goyard. So I'm a Goyard. So we're Goyards. Okay, anyway. Goyards. Okay, so we're gonna go, I'm gonna try to do this really quickly. I'm saying that, and yet I'm not accomplishing it. Recap, Goyard discontinued, if you watch all the videos, they discontinued the Crossiere and the Boeing, which are their 2 travel totes. The Crossiere is a kind of round one, that kind of like the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and the Boeing is kind of more boxy one with side flaps. It's like a square and kind of lifts up. They both can have a strap attached, but they both don't come with a strap. You can get a leather strap or a canvas strap, or whatever. And they prices were, I think, actually I know the prices, sorry. But it doesn't matter. The old prices, it was like 3,000 to 4,000 to 4,100 for the 50. It came in the 45, 50, 55. They came in a bunch of different sizes, and then they slowly discontinued other sizes. And they just discontinued both of those bags, which was a big boom. So we were all pretty sad about the fact that they discontinued it, but they did say they were relaunching 2 new bags. And then if you watch my previous videos, the first bag they relaunched was the Boston bag, which literally looks exactly the same as Crossiere. It's the same exact shape, but they said it was using different leathers and different materials. The leathers, there's more leather on it and less canvas on the Boston. The Boston came out, I think, in June, and they just released the Bowling, which was on the website as the travel bag, which I said in my previous video, but now it's called the Bowling. So the Bowling comes in a 45 and a 55, which is basically the Boeing, but it's also, again, different leathers, different uses, but similar bag. Crossiere is now called the Boston. Crossiere and Boeing are discontinued. They're not bringing them back. These are the new versions that they have launched, Bowling and Boston. So I'm gonna give you prices and info on both real quick. One of these days I'm gonna sit and organize my videos before I actually start filming, so I have it more structured and I'm not so crazy all over the place and I actually know what I'm saying and it's more succinct. I promise I will do that. Okay, in the US, you can get the Bowling 45 and 55. So Boeing gone, Bowling now. Bowling 45, 3710, Boeing 55, 4100, which is pretty much the same as what the Boeing 55 was. So 3710, 4100, so 4,000 plus 4,500 after tax. The Boston comes in a 45 and a 50, not a 55. So 45 and a 50. The 45 is 3040, and the 50 is $32.10. So $200 difference actually, or less than $200 difference. It's not that bad. I mean, it's still expensive, but like compared to, I mean, it's way more expensive than Louis Vuitton. Not way more expensive, but it's for mostly canvas bag with some leather. 3040, 3210, so 3300 and 3500, roughly. Okay, those are the prices in the U.S. for both the bags. Let me see if I have any more detail. All I really have is that it has more leather on it, but I think they came out last week. The bowlings, the flaps on the bowling lay down even more flush, so it's more of like a rectangular silhouette, and in the interior there's no longer a zipper compartment, so it's just a big bag. They updated the leather on the outside too, so that it's easier to access your things on the bowling, because that was kind of the big problem with the bowling, was those flaps would crease and crack, and also they kind of pulled up and it was hard to get into the bag. I say this not owning it, either of them, but this is just what I know. Okay, and then the strap is an additional probably $500 to $600 on top of the bag. So factor that in. In France, the bowling is available in the store and also through distance purchase if you want to do distance purchase. The 45 comes in black and tan, and it also comes in the masculine colors, green, navy blue, gray. And the 45 is 3,350 euros versus 3,710. So I mean, it roughly ends up being the same after the VAT. 1.1 for the conversion right now. The bowling 55 is 3,700. So yeah, roughly 4,100 probably. Comes in black and tan as well, and then green, navy, gray. But also you can order it in other colors. It's going to be more. So if you wanted to get it in orange, yellow, green, sky blue, navy, or burgundy, red, etc., it would be 48.10 euros with a 5-month delay. So you're paying another 1,100 euros plus waiting 5 months to get it. And you have to be obviously in France to get that. I don't know if the same thing in the US, but I would say it's the same thing in the US, which means like 1,100 is like almost a third. So then you're adding 4,100, you're adding another, 1,800, 1,600, 1632, 48, no, 15, 1,400, 1,400, right? 1,400 on top. So you're looking at 52, 53, 54 plus tax, so like 59 plus a delay. Okay, the Boston, okay, and then the strap on top. I don't know if the bowling comes with a strap. Let's look that up actually. The Boston 45 is 2,750 for black and tan, green, navy, blue, and gray. 2,750, so roughly almost 3,000. So it's kind of the same. And then the 50 is black and tan, and all other 9 colors. So all the colors are available in the 50, and that's 2,900, which would be around 3,200. So to recap, 45 Boston, 2,750 euros in France, 3,040 in the US. Comes in 5 colors, the masculine colors: black, tan, green, navy blue, and gray. Boston 50 comes in all the colors, all 11 colors. 2,900 euros in France, 3,210 in the US. And also the additional strap for the Boston bag is 480 euros for the leather or the cotton, so probably 500 or 600 in the US. The bowling is 3,350 for the black and tan, green, navy, blue, or gray in the 45 versus 3,710 in the US plus tax. The bowling 55 is 3,700 in France for black, tan, green, navy, blue, and gray again. 3,700. All the other colors, if you want special order, are 48.10 euros plus 48.10 euros. And in the US, it's 4,100 euros, and assuming probably 54, 55 with the things. Additional strap, I'm just gonna really quickly check. Okay, this video is gonna be a lot longer than I thought it was gonna be. I thought this was gonna be a really quick video. Boston 50 comes in all 11 colors, and the strap is separate. Bowling doesn't come with a strap, and it's not recommended to have a strap with it, but you can. It's the same thing. You gotta like lift up the sides, and then it'll kind of pull it up like that. But it has an exterior pocket instead of an interior pocket. I mean, it always had an exterior pocket. It looks literally exactly the same. I'm not gonna lie, they look exactly the same. I might be missing something, but they look exactly the same. I don't think there's more leather. Maybe there's better leather. The Bourget PM trolley case comes in all 11 colors. That's the smaller one. And then the Satola is the bigger one, and that comes in just... So the Bowling 45 comes in five colors. The Boston 45 comes in 5 colors. The Boston 50 comes in 11 colors. And the Bowling 55 comes in 5 colors. So it's just the Boston that comes in all 11 colors in the 50. But you can special order the Bowling in all 11 colors. Make sense? Okay, what else? The Satola and the Bourget comes in all 11 colors. The Satola is bigger and it only comes in 2 colors, black and tan. I do have the prices for those two. They're somewhere in the $8,000 to $9,000 range, just so you know. Okay, last time I checked the prices, the Bourget was $92.50 and the Satola was $90.20, but that is probably wrong now. I think the Bourget is like $94 and the Satola is closer to $99. Bourget is $9,400 and you usually have to order it. It's not always in stock. The Satola, let's just say they're both around 10, okay? And I think there are seven or 8 in France, roughly. I'll get you exact prices later, but if we want to do another video on that, I can do another video on that. But these are the prices on this one. They released a couple Instagram posts and an email. So we'll do the Instagram and the email thing. Okay. Goyard. Oh, let's do it on here. I will read you the Instagram and then the email as I record it so that we can do it together. So they put 3 posts about travel bags. Yeah, okay. So one was the art of travel, explore and discover, just dream and discover. Ever since 1953, generations of Goyard artisans have built a unique savoir-faire for luggage making, a wealth of skills reflecting a certain uncompromising vision of travel and style. So pack up and go, we take care of the rest. Showcase here the bourgeois trolley. And then the art of travel by Goyard, this was 4 days ago. Authentic and timeless trunks, suitcases, and travel bags Goyard are like irresistible invitations to wander around and gallivant about as off to distant horizons or around the corner. Just to pack up and go, we'll take care of the rest. Showcase here the Boston travel bag. And they have a photo of the black one. And then they have I can't swim, but I can roll, and it's a photo of the Bourget again. Unsinkable. Whether you travel by train, plane, boat, car, or coach to get to the summer destination, our Bourget trolley is up for it and will faithfully follow you almost everywhere. And then it's just a photo of it. That's what they have for that. Let's see. Japan didn't do anything. And then the email. Explore, dream, discover the new bowling bag. And it's like very square. It does look more square. It looks a little more square and boxy, and like it's got 4 leather corners and like leather on the thing. You can take the ring off and do the thing, but I don't think it's supposed to be, you know, held with a strap. The art of travel by Goyard. The art of travel by Goyard. Authentic and timeless ever since 1853. The art of travel by Goyard is an irresistible invitation to wander around and gallivant about off to distant horizon around the course. So just pack up and go. We'll take care of the rest. Discover our bowling bag, and then. Some like it curvy, feather light and soft. Some like it high-tech, minimal, and on wheels. State-of-the-art trunk, cutting-edge trolley, and dandy travel bag. There is Goyard for all travelers. It does look really sleek and smooth and sting, and it like looks really nice and looks really thing. But yeah, I think it's really made for like when you're flying private, when you're traveling. It's not going to do well in like going in the, you know, getting checked. It's and even going over the car, it's going to get scratched and dinged. Like the metal, like everything's so nice. And also, I don't know, Bethany Fango had this TikTok about it where she said it's really not a great travel bag. The shortness is too high. Although I heard you can adjust the length of the handle thing. You can pull it up higher. But she was just saying there's all these issues with it. Watch her TikTok. Okay, I'm going to click on Discover the Bowling thing. It takes you to the Bowling 55. Comes in 5 colors. Yeah, it looks exactly the same. I mean, we can sit and do a side by side if we need to, but to me it looks exactly the same. Few days getaway, carry on luggage sports. It features a zip fastening system with a padlock to keep one's personal belongings safe. Thanks to its adjustable handles, we can carry by hand, while the 2 pull tabs on each side allow easy opening to adapt the shape of the bag of its contents. I mean, that had the same as before. How to wear, let's see, how do they wear Carry it in your hand with 2 straps. And that's the only way to wear it. And it's a dude. Okay, and then let's discover our travel universe. So like the Boston already came out. Yeah, I mean the Satola is really nice. It just looks really big. Shock resistant with 2 polycarbonate shells. It's very easy to maneuver things at 364 degrees. Parallel design, how to wear. You just roll it. How else can you wear it? Let's see. About the handle. And that's the same. Let's check out the Bourget, which comes in all 11 colors. This one's really cool, like in a color, but it is a lot. It's like a papa color, my friend. That blue. Oh, they all look good. Call it carry-on rolling suitcase. Perfect for all journeys. Resistant, rigid, and light. Is practical at 360 degrees while we're in closed systems borrowing from trunks. I think Chai has to go out, so we're gonna leave in 5 seconds. Chai, I promise we're gonna leave in 5 seconds. You gonna say? Yeah. Okay. Roll. Carry like in your hand. Okay. Anyway, that's all I got. What do you guys think? If you're gonna get it, are you gonna get it? Jonathan obviously got it. Are you gonna get it? What do you think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know in the comments below what you think. I literally think they're the exact same bags. Maybe I will do another video where I actually compare them. I don't know. I need to find footage of the bowling, like the old photos of it, if I can find it. Maybe I have it in my old video. If I find it, and then I'll do a side-by-side comparison. But they look exactly the same to me. Maybe I'm not looking close enough, and it's also really late, and I'm tired. So I am going to just assume that they are the same, unless you guys tell me different. So you guys tell me different. New travel bags. Goyard. I hope that helped. I'm gonna try to do like snippet versions of these, like vertical TikTok versions where I just do name, price, bag, name, price, bag. If you guys think that'd be interesting, I'll put them on YouTube Shorts and on TikTok. Do you guys think that'd be interesting? Let me know in the comments below. Just like bag, price US, price France, price US, price US. And I will probably have to rehearse it, like lines, like memorize it to get it so I can say it out fast and not take all this time because I talk too much. But I will do it and we'll see what happens. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Okay, thank you guys. Today's Lion's Mane portal, whatever that means, you guys. So manifest your dreams, your intentions, set them. It's like 8/8. It's this powerful day, like Egyptians used to do it. Like it's the number 8. It's Venus and Earth and the Sun and some sort of thing, and Venus is in retrograde. I'm not usually a big like astrology person, but I read about it today, and then I sat and manifested. Like manifest, you're supposed to manifest. You're supposed to like take bigger risks. You're supposed to set your intentions for the year and like envision your future and all these things. And I started doing that, and like things were starting to happen. So I would say do it if you can. Do it. Lion's Mane portal. Read about it. It's today. Manifest. Set your intentions. Have a vision. Take a risk. Do the things. See your life. Set your goals. All those kind of things today. Go do it. 8/8. I hope I post this tonight. It's possible I won't, but I will try to. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends, family. If you hate it, share with your enemies. The next thing, I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you. Bye.